Today's our first service story. Let's discuss customer-related matters. Can you give us a quick intro to this project?
Our client's from the UK. He does bicycle parts.
What's the end use, or where will this project be used?
It's for selling bike parts. Bike shops or cycling fans can buy them too.
What materials and processes do we use for our products?
Many are crafted from carbon fiber. The process uses carbon fiber too.
What specific requirements did the product itself have at first?
Carbon fiber is 9 times more rigid than steel, and it's only a quarter as dense as steel.
Were there any special requirements for function or looks?
There were definitely some appearance requirements, like 2K and 3K fabrics, along with a protective layer. So during this project,
What was the biggest challenge you ran into?
2K and 3K fabrics are prone to scratches. It's hard to avoid that. The cut edges aren't as strong as the original carbon fiber. Cutting may lead to minor edge chipping.
How do you make sure your production time and quality stay on track?
We have a quality control system, and our back end tracks everything in real time. If anything goes wrong, we get feedback right away. So,
How did the final delivery turn out?
the client was pleased and our work was excellent. Here's a sample of our carbon fiber product. Take a look at this.
Did the client give any feedback or suggestions? Did this project lead to more work together?
Actually, this project went really well. The client sent us similar projects after this. We've built a steady partnership.
In this project, what's your most valuable lesson from this?
Our primary tasks involve CNC and die casting, and this was our first time working with carbon fiber. This also adds some color to a blank area of our carbon fiber. With increased carbon fiber experience, we're more confident in future client collaborations.